Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So if you are getting warning like this, try again later. We restrict certain activity. So there can be several reasons you are getting this type of warning. So I will tell you the few things. Maybe any one of this happen with you. So the first one is, for example, if you are scrolling Instagram. So when you open Instagram, the list of feeds will get loaded, and for example after that, after in couple of seconds, your internet went, your internet got disconnected due to a network issue, but you have keep scrolling and you have keep liking the post. For example, you have liked 15 post, 10 post in 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever, and your internet get restored or it came back. So what happened, the time when your internet came back, okay, all those 10 to 15 likes was done in that 1 second when internet was restored, and you get a warning. Instagram think like this was done by a bot or something which is not safe, so they give you this type of warning. Even if you are doing a number of follow unfollow, so this type of things, so in this case you will get this type of warning. Okay, so don't like, if you are scrolling Instagram, don't like a post very fast. Give a duration of few seconds whenever you are commenting, whenever you are liking. Even if you are doing a comment, or if you are playing a conversation in a comment, keep a few seconds of gap between each and every comments. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.